Formation of Flower Boy from Eagle brand ceramics. If I ask what Foshan is famous for, the one who answers mango cake and pork biscuits must be a foodie. And who answers nymph with hydratic skin, rosy lips and pretty white teeth, and a flower boy is casual and elegant bearing, straight eyebrows and bright eyes, must be a member of Appearance Association. In fact, Foshan is one of the 4 gatherings in ancient time, with splendid resources, heavenly treasures, outstanding people, smart land, developed business and trade, as well as 5,000 years ceramics production history. Guangdong Eagle Brand Group was founded in 1974, with headquarters in Xiwan, Foshan, ceramic capital of South China. With 2 famous ceramic brands of Eagle and Huangpeng, 3 production bases and advanced production equipment, Eagle Brand Group is an expert in research and development of ceramic polished tiles, glazed tiles, glazed interior wall tiles, glass ceramics and ceramic composite tiles, produces over 30 million square meter tiles annually and has marketing network in more than 100 countries and areas in the world. Eagle Brand Group is not satisfied with being quite a handsome gentleman. Since 2014, the group's business has extended to Pan Household Industrial Ecological Chain, establishing Foshan Pan Household E-Commerce Creative Park, Daguan Design Park, Super Eagle Speed Logistics, Ceramic Tiles E-Commerce Platform, and International Trade Center in Combined Material, R&D, Design, Industrial Park, and other areas so as to provide a complete industrial ecological chain for the group's sustainable development and remain the grouping staying in the frontier of the industry. The level of appearance is there, but they just want to rely on talent. It just describes Eagle Brand ceramics. Every piece of tiles in Eagle Brand can only become a flower boy with appearance, figure, makeup and charm after 72 procedures from efforts of thousands of staff with severe training and hammering carefully. They will be beauty onlookers with scream where he emerges. We were taught never judge a person from appearance at a young age. Actually, tiles which looks like shining diamond originates from piles of unconspicuous sandy soil. In the opinion of Eagle Brand, that sticks to quality, good tiles can only be made after strict selection of raw materials. 1. Selection of raw materials. The process of material selection resembles a competitive beauty contest in fascination where the winner can get admission ticket for entering material workshop. So to speak, if high-quality quartz sand material, it's sturdy skeleton of a flower boy. High-quality clay is its beating meridians, and a feldspar is its fresh blood, sending out unique aroma. These high-quality raw materials determine tiles' dynamic, toughness, and plasticity. 2. Proportion of raw materials. Different formulations have different taste. Raw materials formation with golden ratio is the unique cheese of Eagle Brand. In order to maintain a stable quality, raw material formulation must be a mature one with repeated after repeated experiments. After getting lists from R&D personnel, compounders stir the ingredients, adding all kinds of raw materials to the feeder through a large forklift. The initial mix of the various formulation materials is very uneven and they will pass through the conveyor belt into the ball mill. Ball milling of raw materials. Ball milling process is like soybean milk produced from soybean milk machine. Raw materials are mixed with water in the ball mill and milled into detailed lubrication of the mud driven by the motor and belt. Where does quality and exquisite mud go? First, they will enter the sieving system, remove coarse particles and impurities without fine grinding in the ball mill. Then, they will enter a fully automatic iron removal equipment to remove iron impurities that compromise product quality in the mud. As a proud princess in the industry, iron-separated process of Eagle Brand achieves the highest level of up to 15,000 gauss in the industry. After sieving the iron removal, the mud enters a pool for stable homogenization and then goes for the next procedure of spray drying through automatic slurry system. In this process, the mud material sprayed to the drying tower up to 600 degrees Celsius into a mist high pressure of plunger pump, dried and dehydrated in hot air, made into particle powder material with 6 to 7% water. In addition, the proportion of various sizes of particles needs to meet the particle size distribution standards. Freshly baked particle powder material will be sent to the powder silo after 24 hours stale, making these particles even moisture. After repeated screening process, clay turns into a uniform powder with stunt, and raw material has initially completed the first phase. Then, let us explore the forming of ceramic tile together and see how they are ordered from a pile of powder to pieces of beautiful wear-resisting particle ceramic tiles. Material distribution system. Polished tiles has elegant and indifferent style in ceramic tiles. It is special in need of experiencing material distribution procedure. The system delivers base fabric through a superfine powder machine, surface materials including super wide material, intermediate wide material, bottom temperature transparent material, and line materials with different colors to separate powder boxes for storage and then transport through one-to-one conveyor belt. Under the control of the artificial intelligence programming, different raw materials are delivered to different arrangement points in different stages and periods. The whole process is operated electronically with accuracy and efficiency. Molding by pressing. Powder in the jar is evenly spread out by material distribution machine in proportion and then transmitted to press die under the action of a strong force of an instantaneous punching from the press. Powder with certain humidity can be compressed into a piece of tile body. In order to improve the strength of the green bodies, their brief drying trip will start after pressing. The factory of Eagle brand ceramics adopts multi-layer horizontal drying kiln, saving the covering area greatly to meet the requirements of drying speed for green bodies. After multiple processes, the ceramic tile is taking shape. Let's see how Eagle brand assists their makeup. Polished tile has comparatively simple production process. Polished tile is done through a material distribution system mentioned above, forming by pressing and roller drying with only killing firing. Glazing process. For low-key costly ceramic glazed tile, glazing is necessary. There are two main means for glazing. One is to spray glaze for fine particle distribution on the surface of the glazed body with good surface abrasion resistance. The other is to pour glaze for smooth surface of glazed body suitable for high-precision design printing or rubber roller printing. Glazing ceramic tile body of Eagle brand is like dressing a beautiful coat. Printing process. So the question is where beautiful colors and patterns on the surface of the ceramic tile come from. Here comes printing process. Currently, there are three main kinds of printing technologies on the market of screen printing, rubber roller printing, and inkjet printing. Through the printing machine, while tile body has colorful coats. As you see, isn't ceramic tile more bright colored, three-dimensional, and lifelike after printing process? Fire in the kiln. It's time for the stage of beating Big Boss. In the kiln, ceramic tiles of Eagle brand have to undergo more than 60-minute fire burning with 1,200 degrees, among which crystal aggregation 3.0 of Eagle brand ceramics has 180 minutes of firing cycle, unparalleled in the industry. Only through the test of high temperature can ceramic tile of Eagle brand be done with beautiful appearance and a solid endoplasmic. Polishing. After kiln firing and cooling, tile body is delivered to polishing workshop, which is called beauty salon. Pre-cut leveling. From pre-trimming to leveling, tile thickness can be modified for flat surface and the same thickness of tile body so as to improve polishing efficiency and quality. Elaborate polishing in the rough. Then, rough polishing, middle polishing, and elaborate polishing take their turns for thorough overhaul after exfoliation and chamfer removal. Rough polishing is to grind tile surface smooth with a machine, then thrown into middle polishing machine for smooth surface similar to matte tile. The role of elaborate polishing machine is like a glazing machine, ceramic tile. After elaborate polishing, the glossiness can reach 80 degrees, even above 90 degrees, smooth as a mirror. Edging and chamfering. Edging and chamfering is the last revision of tile sides, with dual grinding to irregular tile body for its precise and uniform size and avoiding sharp corner damage or harm to people. After the above steps, the tiles finally come to the final step of the finishing treatment. This step is to attach a layer of anti-fouling agent on the surface, so tiles are always brilliant. Tiles are delivered slowly through a parallel roller, subsees the personal examining flatness and size of products, and the qualified can be packaged, stored, and finally affixed to the Eagle label. Experiencing a selection of raw materials, material distribution, pressing molding, roller drying, printing, killing firing, polishing, and other multiple tempering, Sandy Mutt becomes a beloved flower boy of Eagle brand after the sound of Duan. Out of production workshop of Eagle brand, they sit down and express cars of Foshan Super Eagle Speed Logistics Company Limited for transportation to the terminal warehouses and stores. Service. Then, what fantastic stories would take place between the flower boy and clients? In the special e-store of Eagle brand ceramics, there are professional guys to serve you who are all beautiful, gentle, intellectual, also know what you need, and help all the way. The small boat of friendship won't sink. We have professional designers to design for you. European aristocrat, contracted fashion, rural ancient fashion, or mix and match is all out of problem. Professional designers will fix it for you. A woman is afraid of same dress in same face is also a big fear to home decoration design. Designers will design unique solutions to meet your all imagination of the perfect home life based on your house type, budget, and demands. After the designer's skilled hands and advanced design system, you can immediately see the design sketch of paving intuitively and conveniently. When the design sketch is done, the staff will make your budget to save time and worry. As long as you sit at home, the tiles will be sent to you by Super Eagle Speed Logistics staff. From the era of Nokia's dominating the market to the current information age with the iPhone in every hand, Eagle staff have been on the other end of the service line, listening to your feedback. After sales service call 800-999-2923. Professional staff answer, record timely feedback, and provide you with a solution to the problem. If necessary, the company will arrange for relevant professionals to the design location for timely guidance. From pre-sale introduction of the tiles to mid-sale of house measurement, design services, budgets, and then to after-sale distribution, paving guidelines, tile protection, maintenance guidelines, etc. You can feel all-round quality service from Eagle brand. Eagle's Flower Boy is really a warm one. And so the Flower Boy of Eagle brand has entered homes, and he also brings secrets of ceramic tile paving. Come and have a look at the inside of the secrets. Preparations. For paving a 15 square meter room, we need to prepare the tools: fine fish line, leveling ruler, rubber hammer, number 325 cement, sand, tile paste agent, and caulking agent. First of all, please check colors, model, and size of product before opening the box. Then, clean up the place to be paved, mapping the ground level. Subsequently, spray water and sweep mud to the ground. Mix ordinary number 325 Portland ceramic and sand with a ratio of 1:4 to 1:6. Stir evenly and wipe a layer with thickness of 20 mm to 35 mm on the ground. Pre-paving. Before paving, hold two perpendicular lines on the ground. Calibrate the level with a leveling ruler. Thumb the wall surface straight with a hammer. pave tiles experimentally based on pattern characteristics, unified direction and type, and can adjust 180 degrees for flatness. Paving guidelines. After adjusting flatness and even gap in pre-paving, formal paving starts. After cleaning dust on the back of tiles, mix number 325 cement and tile adhesive agent evenly, and cast the back of each tile with cement thickness of 5 to 8 millimeters. Within 30 seconds, put tiles cast with cement paste flat in the paved place. Gently push it by hand and then tap tile surface with a hammer handle, so that bottom of the brick can fully eat pulp for thorough paste coverage in the bottom of tile and avoiding the phenomenon of hollowing, and tap tiles flat with a mallet. Draw lines according to tile size in paving and set aside gray seam to avoid hunch-up as a result of different thermal expansion and contraction coefficient of concrete and ceramic. The distance of gray seam is not the same for different types of tiles. 2 to 3 millimeters is reserved for polishing tiles and more than 1.5 millimeters for glazed tiles. When paving reaches a certain area, wipe residual contaminants on the surface of tile with cloth at once. Tile surface examination. Tap the tile surface for check after 12 hours. If there is any hole, repaving should be done. Pollution during paving can be cleaned with water or neutral detergent and wiped with a rag. Walking and scrubbing is available after 24 hours. After the completion of all pavings, remove construction residues on the tile surface with softer materials and do the appropriate ground protection. Dragging or stacking sediment on the paved tiles is prohibited. Corrosive chemicals are prohibited from contact with tiles, and hydrofluoric acid is not allowed for cleaning. Tearing off the protective film. Here we teach you the right way to tear off the protective film. Set off a corner of protective film on the tile surface and tear evenly with force. If there is any accidental remain of the protective film on tile surface, you can cast a small amount of soapy water and then scratch with inclined angle of 45 degrees with a new blade. Caulking. After paving and cleaning tile surface, fill with professional sealant for compaction and flattening. Note that the caulking should be 0.5 millimeters below tile surface and clean up the extra sealing agent in half an hour. As you see, the ground paved by tiles of Eagle brand looks so brilliant. Suggestion to you: choose a qualified skilled construction team and explain the construction requirements in detail, so as not to affect the construction of the paving effects. Pave according to the design requirements, tile number, and a pattern design. Pave based on arrow direction at the bottom of tile for products with irregular patterns. If there is any adverse condition of products in the process of paving, please contact Eagle immediately. We would not take the responsibility once the tiles are paved. How can Flower Boy of Eagle brand be maintained usually? 1. Keep surface dry. 2. Clean tile surface with professional household cleanser and detergent. Press with waxing machine and remove until clean. 3. Wipe with professional cleaning powder and detergent. Clean the surface with water without decontamination powder and detergents, or wipe with waxing machine and water, but the grinding of polisher must be cleaned. Non-normal stain removal is done with professional cleaning products. Non-professional removal will not only affect the removal effect, but also affect the next cleaning effect. Eagle brand ceramics, a benchmark ceramic enterprise with extreme spirit of originality to win good public praise. In the future, Eagle Brand Group will strive to construct an interconnecting pan-household industrial ecological system with high efficiency and low carbon, and made its own contribution to the leading place of China pan-household industry.